The Vxl 7600 Powerwall storage system from VTC Power offers non-toxic and safe lithium iron phosphate technology in a compact AC grid coupled design, compatible with most of the mainstream inverter brands. The battery unit, made of A-grade LFP cells, has a power storage capacity of 7.6 kWh. The scalable design supports as many as 15 units in parallel connection, able to generate up to 115 kWh of power for heavier loads. The long service life of 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge makes these an ideal choice for residential and commercial applications. Our comprehensive field experience resulted in optimal design. The backside support bracket allows for easy installation. Natural cooling with effective heat dissipation ensures overheating protection, and water and dust-proof IP67 casing lets you rest assured the system will perform smoothly even in harsher environment types. An LCD screen offers a quick overview of PV energy yield, power consumption, state of battery charge, as well as other performance parameters. An intelligent battery management system efficiently controls the energy flow and protects against overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, short circuit, and so on, ensuring trouble-free operation. VTC makes storage solutions for over 20 years. Let us make one for you too.